You know, I get it. No one watches his videos. There's really nothing interesting happening in them. There's no real reason for anyone to watch them, and their retention, well, it does show it. Not only are the things I usually say pretty boring, and the jokes I usually try to insert fall flat most of the time, but also, I mean, I'm boring. This background's boring. Everything's boring here. So, I think I figured it out. I think I know how to finally make people pay attention to my videos, how to make them mesmerized, how to make them feel like everything in the universe all of a sudden makes sense. They all need to be presented via Windows Media Player visualizers. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is the future of content on YouTube. I mean, come on, how can you not say no to this video? How can you not pay attention to every single word I say with this playing over the top? I mean, it's great. Let's try it out right now. Starting off, 2 new Zen 5 CPUs from AMD have reportedly leaked. As you can see in this graphic, some information about these upcoming chips was actually intercepted when they were making their way between AMD's headquarters and labs. And while we still don't know too much about Zen 5 and Ryzen 9000 or Ryzen 8000, or however Team Red finally decide to rescue themselves from this absolute mess with the naming scheme they have started again, according to this leak, they will most likely be launching later this year. So you better start saving up now, because well, they probably won't be cheap, but so worth it if all these rumors we've been seeing about what kind of performance numbers we can expect from Zen 5 are to be believed. And you do want to buy these, just like you also want to support this channel on Patreon. So go on, support it, click the link, look at the colors. You know you want to, you're being programmed. Do it now. And you better get used to this, because now this is what every single video will be like, and there is no escape for you or me. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.